We didn't end the way we'd hoped to. That's okay. Our futures collapsed, the bricks had crumbled. We watched our world fade. I came across your voicemail and told myself it was nothing till I forced myself to press that play button. So surprised I was to hear that you were proud of me. I didn't see that coming. And it's not a shame coming from you now. There is no shame. I'm grateful that you reached out, but it's not the same. It's not the same coming from you now.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry that it took so long to listen. Things have changed. Wounds from the past, they scar, but this one